Okay, so I know I look a little bit like weird, like girl, what are you doing? Like, where's your hair? Well, it's underneath here and it's also in my hand. So in this video I'm gonna be doing a review on this hair that I've been wearing for I think a good month now. Yeah, it's been like a month, like a good month and a week. So it's been like 5 weeks that I've been wearing this hair. Excuse me. I only wear RPG hair, so just playing. I'm just playing. Well, that's what my bank account can afford, so technically I'm not playing. So the hair that I've been rocking for the past month now, this is from Rpghair. It is like a curly bob wig. It is not totally a 360. This is the construction of the wig, so it's not completely 360, right? So it's like right here, and then on the side right here, and then on the side right here, and the back. So right now I do have the rubber band method because I was tired of laying it down on my hair and using the guiseee and all that. Because usually like after 2 or 3 weeks of me wearing the hair, the next couple of weeks I just put the sucker on and I go, like I said before. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head. Oh, she looking cute. Alright, and we're gonna bring it back. Oh, it did come with like 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And then bring it up, right? I think so. It don't look too wiggy. Cap size is, I believe it is a medium. With this one I should have gotten a large, but I didn't because it's a medium. It's hard for the hair to be on both sides for me. I didn't get a chance to wash it yesterday because I usually always wash my wigs every week. I wash my hairs every week because, you know, after the week after me putting products in it. Well, this week I didn't really put products in it, but we're gonna do that right now. But do you guys see the volume and the body that this hair is giving me? Like, listen, RPG, like, why do you do this to me? Why must you make me spend all my coins on you? Like, I was just like, I'm not buying any more hair. And then this comes out and they were having a sale. They always have a sale. The pricing, I paid $120. This is a 14-inch, 180% density, elongated bob. It's like a bob, so like in the front right here it's long, but in the back it's like short, and it is very, very full. I did bleach the knots, and I did have somebody pluck it for me, and she did a really good job, so I appreciate you, girl. I don't know if my wig is like sitting. Is it sitting? Is my wig sitting, y'all? Oh, it's sitting pretty. It's sitting pretty. As you guys can see in my other video, I had like baby hairs laying and slayed and all that kind of stuff, but like after a while I was just, okay girl, I can't be doing baby hairs anymore. Like I can't do it. For the purpose of today's video, we're gonna go ahead and use some water, and we're gonna spray the hair, and then we're gonna apply some mousse, which has been like my 2 things that I do to this hair. I just spray some water, put some mousse, and I'm out. The one con that I have is that it doesn't have enough parting space. I'm gonna show you guys. So like I can only part it like in the middle, but like when I go to the side right here, you could see the tracks. Like there's no parting space. It's difficult to part because there is no parting space right here. So once you go right here, it's tracks, which is why I always kept it like in the middle part, or like if I did like a flip over. Just sprayed it a little bit with water, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Lotto Body Mousse. This has been like lifesaver with this wig whenever I want to go for that like curly hair, curly type. And I just put mousse all over, right? And like it gets the curls popping. Okay, it gets the curls popping, y'all. So I'm gonna put that all over. And like I said, I only paid $120 for this wig. It's a 14-inch. It was originally $130, but because there was like a sale and I used a coupon. Was there? Yeah, there was a sale and I used a coupon code, so I paid like $120 for it. And what I like about RPG hair is there's always a sale, and the hairs are super affordable. People who cannot afford to pay $400, $500 for wigs, like if you could spare like $100 for a wig, for a good wig to last you like months, okay? It depends on how you take care of the hair. The hair will last you months. Like, I still have my other hair. Like, I'm bringing it back though because I didn't want to wear it too much. I'm gonna bring it back for Christmas, okay? If you guys want to know the hair I'm talking about, I will link a card up here or up here so you guys can see that review as well. But yes, I think this is in the color 1B. I told them that I wanted like I didn't want a natural color, I wanted a color 1B. Hair has been wonderful. Like, I just can't. I can't. Like, listen. Linda, listen, girl. This hair. Like, do you not see this? The curls are popping. I'm popping. We're all popping. And the mousse just makes it like, make the curls pop more. And it gives it like a shine. It brings the volume of it like down a little bit, but it's still voluminous. Oh, I said it right. I said it right. It's still voluminous. Once I put the mousse in, it dries very quickly and like it stays like this all day, and it's not crunchy hard. It's like nice and soft, and like, you guys, I just like this hair. Shedding is minimal. I mean, it's curly hair, so it will shed like here and there. It only sheds if like right now, like I got a couple of strands because I was doing the running my hands through it. But like, it doesn't shed like on a daily basis. It barely sheds when I'm washing it, so that's also an A+ in my book. So if you're looking for some good curly hair for $120, like, come on. Like, I definitely recommend this hair, and like I said before, I definitely recommend RPG hair for people who want a good wig, good hair at a reasonable price. She's winning. She's completely winning. Do you see this? Do you see the body? So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys again for tuning in to watch. My final review on this hair is definitely get it. It's definitely perfect hair for all the seasons. If you want something for winter, for summer, for fall, for all of that, right? I will put the link down below of the hair. If you guys want to see this makeup look, it will be on my channel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this review about this hair. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever purchased from RPG hair. What hair did you purchase? Did you like it? Did you not like it? This is my 3rd time buying from them, and all 3 times none of the hair has failed me yet. So for that, I am grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last, and God bless. Bye.